came across Ho'oponopono online when I heard the story of Dr. Ihalia Kala Hulen, who had cured a ward of criminally insane patients without ever meeting them.
किस तरीके से ये हमारी लाइफ को चेंज कर सकती है?
हमारी लाइफ में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम जो हम फेस कर रहे हैं, डिजीज, रिलेशनशिप प्रॉब्लम, मनी प्रॉब्लम, जॉब प्रॉब्लम, एनी काइंड ऑफ इशू, होपोनोपोनो में ना एक चीज बोलते हैं, बियॉन्ड ऑल अंडरस्टैंडिंग, कि आप उसको कॉन्शियस माइंड से समझ नहीं सकते. जस्ट बाय यूजिंग एनी ऑफ द टूल्स दैट वी विल टॉक अबाउट, यू विल बी अमेज्ड हाउ एनी ऑफ योर प्रॉब्लम विल जस्ट बी सॉल्व्ड.
Once again, we are back on Roar. What does Ho'oponopono mean?
हवाई में ना सारी कम्युनिटी के साथ मिलके प्रोसेस होता था जिसमें कहते थे everything that you're experiencing outside, people I'm meeting, diseases I'm seeing, everything is a memory replaying within me, either living by memories or we are living through inspiration. There are only two states. Repeat the same patterns, कभी end नहीं होता.
ये सेम चीज मैं मेरे मनी और करियर में कैसे अप्लाई कर सकती हूँ?
Simplest tool is just saying I love you. You just say and the button gets clicked and the process begins. मनी की अपनी खुद की आइडेंटिटी होती है. There's a lot of with money, wrong things that have happened, malpractices with money. So whenever we receive and give money, it's very good to clean with it and it will do wonders in your life.
Hey you, welcome to another exciting episode on Roar with Sneha. I am your host Sneha Desai, and Roar is a talk show where we unleash the power of love and relationships. But before we go ahead, do not forget to hit that subscribe button because that helps us roar even louder. So we are back with one of our favorite guests on this show. She is India's first and only instructor and coordinator for self-identity through Ho'oponopono technique. So let's welcome Gitika Kaushal Taneja. Hi Gitika.
Hi Sneha, thank you so much for having me here.
Yes, once again we are back on Roar.
Yes, it is always so exciting to talk to you.
Yes, so कैसे हो Gitika? How are you feeling today?
एकदम मज़ेदार and really looking forward to talking to you about Ho'oponopono, which is so close to my heart.
Yes. So tell us, we begin with decoding the word. What does Ho'oponopono mean actually? मतलब इसका मतलब क्या है?
Yeah, so Ho'oponopono comes from a Hawaii technique. Okay,
Acha.
so let me first tell what is self-identity through Ho'oponopono, which you just mentioned, and Ho'oponopono. What is the difference between? सो होपोनोपोनो शुरू हुआ था हवाई में ना. एक प्रोसेस होगा जो आपने भी सुना होगा कि जब भी कोई पूरे उनके विलेज में, टाउन्स में कोई मिस्टेक करता था, जब कम्युनिटी में, तो उसको लेके आते थे सेंटर में और सारी कम्युनिटी के साथ मिलके ये प्रोसेस होता था जिसमें कहते थे आई एम सॉरी, प्लीज़ फॉरगिव मी, आई लव यू, थैंक यू. एंड द होल कम्युनिटी के साथ जिस इंसान ने मिस्टेक की है वो सब एक दूसरे को वो बोलते थे.
अच्छा.
सो दिस इज़ हाउ प्रॉब्लम्स वुड बी सॉल्व. कि जैसे दो लोगों के बीच में अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम हुई है, सो बोथ ऑफ देम विल कम एंड से टू ईच अदर कि आई एम सॉरी, प्लीज़ फॉरगिव मी, आई लव यू, थैंक यू. सो दिस वाज हाउ इट ओरिजिनेटेड,
अच्छा.
the ancient Ho'oponopono process. And then came in Morna Nalamaku Simeona, who is the founder of self-identity through Ho'oponopono. So she is the one who created self-identity through Ho'oponopono, and it is a process that was received as inspiration. So जो नॉर्मल होपोनोपोनो है उसके लिए आपको दूसरा बंदा चाहिए, आपको और लोग चाहिए ताकि उनके साथ आप ये रिपेंटेंस एंड फॉरगिवनेस कर सको. बट सेल्फ आइडेंटिटी थ्रू होपोनोपोनो इज़ अ प्रोसेस विद योर ओन सेल्फ. इसमें आपको किसी की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपको जिससे आपकी लड़ाई है उसकी भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपको किसी टीचर की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपको किसी स्टूडेंट की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपको कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. इट इज़ सच अ कम्प्लीट सिस्टम कि सब कुछ आप अपने अकेले के साथ ही इस्टेब्लिश कर सकते हो. सो सेल्फ आइडेंटिटी थ्रू होपोनोपोनो में वी आर सेइंग these 4 sentences and the whole concept of repentance and forgiveness with our own self, with our own identity. So that is where she created self identity through Ho'oponopono. मतलब हम अपनी खुद की आइडेंटिटी डिस्कवर कर रहे हैं यूजिंग Ho'oponopono कि हम कौन हैं, हम क्यों आए हैं यहाँ, प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है, मेरी लाइफ का पर्पस क्या है, ये सब हम समझ रहे हैं through Ho'oponopono, self-identity through Ho'oponopono. So this is the basic
Difference.
concept of Ho'oponopono जो हम कर रहे हैं इसमें.
ओके ओके. एंड तो जब ये वो जो कम्युनिटी है, आई गॉट द पॉइंट कि दोनों में अलग क्या है. एक में यू नीड पीपल जिसने मिस्टेक की है या आपने किसी के साथ कुछ प्रॉब्लम शेयर किया है, तो यू नीड बोथ द पार्टीज. और एक में यू आर डूइंग इट विथ योर ओन सेल्फ. ईदर ऑफ द केसेस में एग्जैक्टली हो क्या रहा है. व्हेन पहले के जो टेक्निक्स थे, आई एम श्योर उसमें कोई साइंस रहेगा दैट द होल विलेज वुड कम टुगेदर और उसको रख के यूर सेइंग शेयरिंग. अभी उसने गलती किया है, one person has made the mistake, then why is the whole community saying this? So what is exactly happening out there?
Okay, so that is the very interesting part in self-identity through Ho'oponopono, where Mona understood and then further shared it with the world, is that everything that you're experiencing outside with different people is actually the replaying of memories within your own self. So everything that I'm experiencing, people I'm meeting, diseases I'm seeing, everything is a memory replaying within me.
Can you example, मतलब कुछ simple?
Yeah. So first, before I dive into that, let me first explain what is identity. Okay, like the basic of it. So she explains it. She says each one of us has an inner family.
Okay.
Okay. So who all are part of that inner family? So we have the conscious mind, like you and I, we are talking. So our conscious mind is active right now. So that is the first. And in Hawaii, they call it the mother or the uhane.
Okay.
Okay. Then comes the child in us, which is the unconscious, which is called unihipili in Hawaii. So they call it unihipili. Then we have the superconscious mind, which is the father or the omakua in Hawaii. And then the fourth part is, this is our inner family. This is my identity, self-identity. The father, mother, child in me is the complete family. And now when this family is complete, that's when we can connect to divinity.
Okay.
So this is what connects the whole thing. Divinity, then the father, the superconscious, then the unconscious child, and the mother, the conscious. Ohane. So when we are in rhythm, we are balanced. That means, so we are either living by memories, replaying in the unconscious mind, or we are living through inspiration. There are only two states that any one of us is ever in. People who are listening, every one of us is either in one of these two states.
Okay.
एक है memory replay हो रही है मेरे unconscious mind में, and that memory is coming from eons and eons of times, and मतलब हम समझ भी नहीं सकते वो क्या memories हैं. There are millions and millions of memories जो play हो रही हैं at any given second inside us. हमारा conscious mind उसको comprehend भी नहीं कर सकता. So हम सोचे ना कि हम figure out कर लें यार ये problem इस memory से आ रही है, ऐसा नहीं होता. There are millions of those data, bytes, information that is replaying जो हम नहीं comprehend कर सकते.
Okay.
Then the other state is, so in self-identity through Ho'oponopono, the mother or the conscious mind is the one who has to initiate the self-identity through Ho'oponopono cleaning using any of the tools which we'll talk about. So once she initiates that cleaning, that petition, that okay, so I have this problem, okay, with my life partner, let's say. So I'm willing to clean with this memory that is replaying as and showing up as this problem in my life. So now the moment I use any cleaning tool, okay, so now from the conscious mind, that petition will go into the unconscious mind, where all the memories are there, stored for eons and eons and eons of lifetime from the moment of our creation. So now in that, now the child, that has the discretion that it finally will go ahead and see which are the memories that need to be released in this moment. And then it will send it to the superconscious. So the father will refine the petition and send it to the divinity, and only divinity can transmute it.
Okay.
You know, we think using a lot of intellect and things like that we can change problems, we can transmute problems, but that's not how it works.
Okay.
It's only through divinity that it gets transmuted. And then once it's transmuted, Now down comes inspiration from the father to the child and then finally to the conscious mind. So now that inspiration is the solution to that problem. That is the right and perfect solution for me. The conscious mind, हमें लगता है कि हम फिगर आउट कर लेंगे प्रॉब्लम का, अरे मैं उसको ये बोलूँगा तो ये हो जाएगा, मैं उसको ऐसे समझाऊंगा या ऐसे लड़ूंगा उससे या ये बोलूँगा. बट इफ़ यू हैव नोटिस वी रिपीट द सेम पैटर्न्स, सेम काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स विद डिफरेंट पीपल. वो चलता ही रहता है, कभी एंड नहीं होता. सो जब वो जो सोल्यूशन इंस्पिरेशन से आता है, दैट हैज़, इट्स कॉल्ड ज़ीरो स्टेट. उस ज़ीरो स्टेट में से वो सोल्यूशन निकलता है. सो यू कैन ईदर बी इन अ मेमोरी स्टेट और इन एन इंस्पिरेशन स्टेट. सो सेल्फ आइडेंटिटी थ्रू होपोनोपोनो हेल्प्स अस गेट टू ज़ीरो और इंस्पिरेशन स्टेट.
ओके बहुत सारे वर्ड्स जो थोड़े से लाइक यू नो यहाँ से गए एंड आई एम श्योर यू नो बिकॉज वी स्पोक बिफोर द पॉडकास्ट, सो आई हैव अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ यू नो लाइक एक कनेक्शन है कि मैं समझ पा रही हूँ कि ये क्या हो रहा है. बट फॉर द लिसनर्स आई वुड वॉन्ट टू आस्क यू अ वेरी बेसिक क्वेश्चन. हु कैन, वाई वुड समबडी वॉन्ट टू डू दिस प्रोसेस एंड किस तरीके से ये हमारी लाइफ को चेंज कर सकती है?
सो हमारी लाइफ में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम जो हम फेस कर रहे हैं, इट कुड बी फ्रॉम अ डिजीज़ टू अ रिलेशनशिप प्रॉब्लम टू अ मनी प्रॉब्लम टू अ जॉब प्रॉब्लम, एनी काइंड ऑफ इशू जो हम लाइफ में फेस कर रहे हैं, all we have to do is apply any of the simple self identity through Ho'oponopono tools, which are very, very simple. So, you know, it is said that it is the easiest way to live. Ho'oponopono is one of the easiest ways to happiness, to live. I mean, हमें इतना मतलब जंप हूप्स करने की आदत पड़ गई है ना टू बी एबल टू बी हैप्पी और गेट समथिंग, बट इट डजंट नीड टू बी दैट हार्ड. So just by using any of the tools that we'll talk about, you will be amazed how any of your problems will just be solved.
Oh wow, okay.
Yeah.
And have you seen problems change in your life due to this technique?
Yeah, absolutely. So जस्ट लाइक एनी अदर पर्सन, मेरे में भी बहुत वो चीज़ है क्योंकि मैंने बहुत हीलिंग मोडालिटीज़ पढ़ी हैं सिंस आई वाज 15-16 ईयर्स ओल्ड. मैं मतलब आई हैव बीन स्टडिंग एंड लर्निंग एंड ट्रेनिंग एंड सर्टिफाइंग इन मोडालिटीज़. तो मेरा हमेशा से एक वो रहा है कि बट क्यों, बट कैसे, क्या लॉजिक है इसमें, कैसे वर्क कर रहा है ये. वो हमारे इंटेलेक्ट की आदत है ना हर चीज़ को फिगर आउट करना. तो दैट्स हाउ आई वॉज. एंड सो फॉर मी इट वॉज अ लॉट ऑफ स्केप्टिसिज्म कि ये क्या बोल रहे हैं, ये कैसे हो सकता है जो ये बोल रहे हैं, लाइक हाउ डू आई बिलीव इट. सो आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन अ टेस्टर कि मुझे हर चीज़ टेस्ट करनी है कि रियली डज इट वर्क, वरना मैं क्यों टाइम वेस्ट करूँ अपना अगर यू नो इफ इट डजंट वर्क. सो आई अप्लाइड इट टू, बट आई एम दैट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन कि अगर मैं कोई चीज़ ट्राई करूँगी ना तो मैं पूरी डेडिकेशन से करूँगी, मैं उसको पूरा चांस दूँगी. And then I'll see ki whether it works or not. So that's what I did. So I came across Ho'oponopono online when I heard the story of Dr. Ihaliakala Hulen, who had cured a ward of criminally insane patients without ever meeting them.
Okay.
And at that time I was going through some of my own problems in life. और मैंने बहुत healing modalities try कर ली थी और वो relationship problem. एंड नथिंग वॉज वर्किंग एंड आई वॉज फेड अप ऑफ माई लाइफ कि ये मैं अटकी पड़ी हूँ, मेरी ज़िंदगी अटकी पड़ी है, ना मैं आगे जा पा रही हूँ ना मैं पीछे जा पा रही हूँ, कुछ हेल्प नहीं कर रहा है. सो आई वॉज वेरी डेस्परेट फॉर समथिंग टू हेल्प माई रिलेशनशिप प्रॉब्लम. सो आई रेड दिस आर्टिकल समवेयर एंड आई वॉज लाइक ओ माई गॉड, हाउ इज़ दैट पॉसिबल कि आप बिना किसी को मिले और बिना किसी से बात किए और आपने उनको क्योर कर दिया मेंटली इंसेन पेशेंट को. सो देन आई स्टार्टेड रिसर्चिंग कि क्या है, एंड देन आई केम टू नो दैट दिस पर्सन इज अलाइव, Dr. Ihaliakala Hulen, and
where is he from?
He was living in Hawaii only.
Tab Hawaii, okay.
So he was working in the Hawaii State Hospital, and there were actually इस story के बहुत सारी information which I found, which was like, oh my god, so it's true, it's not a urban myth or something. So then I started searching about Ho'oponopono, इधर उधर YouTube पे इधर उधर videos, थोड़ा बहुत I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, thank you, सब नहीं सुना होता है. So वो मिला तो वो करना शुरू किया, बट अभी कुछ समझ तो आ नहीं रहा था ये है क्या कॉन्सेप्ट. तो फिर मैंने ढूंढा कि ये प्रॉपरली कहाँ से सीखा जा सकता है, मतलब नॉट जस्ट इधर उधर के tidbits, but properly.
Proper.
So then I came to know about IZI LLC, which is the organization which Morna Nalamaku Simeona created, and where Dr. Ihalia Kala Hulen was the master coordinator and instructor, and he was worldwide traveling and teaching this.
Okay.
So I thought I have to go and learn. So I went to the US, क्योंकि इंडिया और यहाँ आसपास तो कोई क्लासेस नहीं थी और ऑनलाइन तब होता नहीं था. I remember 2015 में I went to the US to attend this. एंड सो वहाँ जाके ऑफ कोर्स मुझे तो सोल्यूशंस चाहिए थे, मुझे आंसर्स चाहिए थे. आई वाज डेस्परेट कि कुछ बदल जाएगा मेरी लाइफ में. सो एग्जैक्टली वो तो नहीं हुआ, बट इन दैट क्लास वन वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग हैपन. सो उसमें ना एक मेडिटेशन करवाते हैं. सो उसमें बहुत सारे टूल्स हैं, इनर चाइल्ड टूल्स हैं, कैसे इनर चाइल्ड से बात करने के टूल्स हैं, ईटिंग टूल्स हैं, मेंटल टूल्स हैं, विजुअलाइजेशन टूल्स हैं, बहुत टूल्स.
इट्स लाइक अ फुल पैकेज, सब कुछ हो रहा है.
पैकेज बड़े, मतलब आपको अगर याद नहीं रहता आप खाने से कर लो, आपको पीने से चीज़ें कर सकते हो आप, तब भी वर्क करेगा. सो उसमें बहुत ईजी बना दिया उन्होंने ताकि एवरीवन कैन एक्सेस इट. इन दैट मेडिटेशन व्हेन आई एक्सपीरियंस्ड इन दैट क्लास इन द US, आई एक्सपीरियंस्ड दैट स्टेट ऑफ जीरो फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, एंड दैट वाज सो बियॉन्ड एक्सप्लेनेशन. देयर इज़ दिस पीस. होपोनोपोनो में ना एक चीज़ बोलते हैं, पीस बियॉन्ड ऑल अंडरस्टैंडिंग, कि आप उसको कॉन्शियस माइंड से समझ नहीं सकते. एंड दैट्स व्हाट इट वाज. एंड देन आई वाज लाइक कि चाहे मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है, मुझे बिलीव भी नहीं आ रहा है कि ऐसा हो सकता है जो ये चीज़ें बोल रहे हैं, बट आई नो कुछ तो है. सो व्हेन आई केम बैक, so there is something called 12 step जो आप सीखते हो. I kept doing that diligently every day.
Okay.
And within I think 3-4 months, my relationship collapsed and ended. And I was like, and not just that, a lot of things collapsed in my life. And उस टाइम पे तो बड़ा थोड़ा झटका भी लगा, but there was this inner voice that kept saying, it's all good. It's all good.
मतलब सही के लिए हो रहा है.
एकदम सही के लिए हो रहा है.
हाँ.
So I realized, so होपोनोपोनो में ना ये कहते हैं कि like when you start doing, like all shit hits the fan. Like shit will come out to be sent out. And that's what happened in my case. सबके केस में नहीं, but मेरे केस में था. Like all the shit came out and सब सफाई हो गई.
Okay.
And so that, but there was this peace. मैंने सोचा था कि अगर ये relationship end हुआ ना, I will collapse completely. I will not be able to take it because it was a very serious relationship, and you know,
You were seeing a future in it, and मतलब
it was like, I mean, it was like we were about to get married, and so like there was a lot of stuff riding on it, and I was like, अगर ये हुआ तो मैं तो नहीं survive करूँगी. But it was so unbelievable. I was so peaceful through all of it. I was so anchored. I didn't have any of those like crazy, you know, life shattering bouts. I was so balanced, and it was such a respectful parting. It was such a beautiful, amicable, जो मुझे नहीं पता था ऐसा होता भी है कुछ. And that whole year I kept my, you know, cleaning जो हम करते हैं. And within a year I met my life partner, my husband. And so many things happened in that year, because this was for me one of the biggest things कि ये husband कैसे choose करो, कैसे पता कि ये सही है. मतलब कुछ भी, मतलब पता कैसे चलता है. आप इतने सालों किसी के साथ हो and it doesn't work out to be correct, तो how do I know? So then I understood कि ये जो inspiration चीज़ है ना, this is the only thing that can guide me. So this is what I have to rely on. And that's what happened with my husband. I mean, there was this inner voice that just suddenly said, I think within a month of meeting him, it's like, okay, let's go ahead.
Okay.
And I just said, ki, like, do you want to get married? And he said yes. And within a month, and I mean, and I feel so blessed. It's been 8 years that we've been married, and I'm so grateful to self-identity through Ho'oponopono that, you know, it could clear out things that were not right for me and bring me to the right and perfect relationship which I could not have understood.
हाँ, मतलब जो आपके लिए बना था.
हाँ, जो मेरे लिए सबसे सही है इस lifetime में. You know, like there are so many soulmates, there's so many things, but what is right for me in this lifetime could be very different from जो मेरी attraction है. I am attracted towards a certain kind of person, but maybe that is not right for my journey in this life and my growth and my lessons. So that's the best part about self-identity through Ho'oponopono, कि you understand कि we don't know shit. हमें कुछ नहीं पता. So the more we try to figure out सब कुछ ना, we're just wasting time. So problem solve करना, it is a problem solving tool. Happens through inspiration.
Okay.
And just using this simple tools, you can just allow problems to be solved. तुम्हें
Okay.
इतना मेहनत करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
Okay. And so, yeah, I have a lot of questions. So let's start first with what are these cleaning tools? Like you've been talking ki cleaning tools use kiye, and what exactly happens using these cleaning tools?
Yeah. So some of the tools that that I can share, which are available for everyone to use
Okay.
freely.
Okay.
So IZIA LLC बहुत material share करता है freely. Like there's an article on our website, ho'oponoponoindia.com, जिसमें he has explained everything, given 5 important tools, all free.
Okay.
Because this is so powerful that Morna always wanted people to have access to it. For people to be able to use it freely. मतलब they have always said कि ज़रूरी नहीं है कि तुम workshops आके attend करो. Just start cleaning. You know, it's not important. Because it will change the world in ways, it will change wars and things if all of us could just get to the cleaning. You know, so some of the tools that I would love to share with the audience, which is something जो मतलब आप अपनी life में अभी apply कर सकते हो. So the first tool, which is the most simplest tool, is just saying, I love you.
Okay.
I love you is a cleaning tool and a very, very powerful cleaning tool. Okay? And in Hindi, it will be मैं तुमसे प्यार करती हूँ, मैं आपसे प्यार करती हूँ. So this is I love you. So all you have to do is you can think it, you can say it loudly, and it will start the whole cleaning process.
Okay.
And so जैसे कई लोग पूछते हैं कि do I have to mean it? Like
It's such a
do I have
simple
to
thing,
feel it? Nothing. So it's like a button. You just say it and the button gets clicked and the process begins inside you. It has started. Okay. So the second tool is thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so similarly, just like I love you, just saying thank you activates the whole process. The third interesting tool is, which is something you can drink, is called blue solar water. So like this is a blue bottle. So in this, what you do is you take any blue glass bottle, okay, and you do not use a metal cap. You can use a cloth, a plastic cap, or a wooden cap, or anything. So in this, what we do is we fill any water, tap water or anything, and we put it in the sun or in incandescent light for 15 minutes to 1 hour as you feel inspired. That's it. And then you drink this water. This is called blue solar water. So just drinking this water will start the whole Ho'oponopono process, you know, which is petition, going, upwards, inspiration, everything. It just begins. So I was recently working with a IZIA LLC instructor from Russia.
Okay.
And so it was very interesting. So she shared, she's just like, you know, हम लोग जैसे हैं कि intellect की check करना. So she told me that she actually did experiments in a lab where she checked कि different water जब हम कर रहे हैं तो वो water को क्या हो रहा है. Blue solar water को जब आप study करो in the lab, so what is happening to the cells of the water. And she was like, it was, and she's like, I also tested कि 15 minute sun में रख के क्या होगा, 1 hour या उससे ज़्यादा में. And she was like, it was brilliant, the results, कि actually में how it changes the whole molecular setup of the water when you put it in the sun and use it as blue solar water. And she's a clairvoyant, so she can see auras and everything that is happening around you.
This is very interesting.
Yeah, so she was like, so like a client walks in and like they'll have all muddy aura, there are holes in the aura. Like for example, cancer. She was telling me this story. Like I was working with a cancer person and he had holes in the aura, okay? And she's like, so they come in and the moment you start cleaning, like in my mind, I'm not telling him anything, this person, I'm just start cleaning. I love you, thank you, I love you, thank you. And suddenly the aura starts changing of this person.
Okay.
So she was like, then that's when I started realizing that there's something to this Ho'oponopono. कि because she's like, तुम लोग तो देख नहीं सकते, तुम लोग तो अपने belief पे ही कर रहे हो ना, मैं देख सकती हूँ कि the moment you do it क्या change हो रहा है. She's
But
like,
सुनने में कितना easy लग रहा है ना actually.
Exactly. और हमारा इंटेलेक्ट को कॉन्शियस माइंड को चाहिए होता है कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, कुछ मेहनत तो करवाओ.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Like
so,
I love you and thank you is something that
Yes.
is just used
So
also very
easily,
commonly and
हाँ.
easily.
And that is activating the cleaning.
Okay.
Even when we are doing it unknowingly, it is still activating the whole cleaning process because
Okay.
it is so integrally, like built inside the universe. So it is not something jo, it is already in cellular DNA of the universe, this whole
Wow.
process. That's why people who hear about it, ऐसा लगता है जैसे you always knew it, something in you awaken to it, like remembering it, like that was my experience. And many students who come, they're like कि हम तो बस wait कर रहे थे ये सुनने का, and it's like we've known this all our lives. So when we got it to India in, I think, 2021 October, when IZIA LLC Self Identity Through Ho'oponopono classes came to India, I was receiving emails, messages from all over the country. And अभी तो हमने कुछ publicity, marketing कुछ नहीं किया था. That we had been waiting for 10 years, 20 years for self-identity through Ho'oponopono to come to India. मतलब ऐसे रिमोट टाउन्स एंड सिटीज़ से ईमेल्स आए हैं मुझे, एंड आई वाज अमेज. मैंने तो कहीं नहीं बताया, बट इट इज़ सो पावरफुल. मतलब हमारी हर एक वर्कशॉप में इंडिया में वी हैव हैड around 50, 70, 80, 100 people coming up, and from 20, 30 countries her workshop mein people are joining in, and we hardly do any marketing. It's just like the souls, they're waiting, and it's like a remembrance.
Who's meant to be, will they sort of just come
they
together,
just
sort of a thing.
waiting.
Okay.
It's always like a remembrance for souls.
Wow.
And so blue solar water,
Water
you can
is-
just drink it, use it for like watering your plants and food, like anything, so it's very, very effective using blue solar water. And the other thing is, eating strawberries and blueberries is also a cleaning tool.
Okay.
So just eating strawberries in the form of jams, blueberry ice cream, or whatever, it is activating the cleaning. So these are 5 tools that you can start using in your life and just like see what changes, how it feels, what happens. And the concept behind this is, I am sorry for whatever is in me that is showing up as this problem in my life. Please forgive me for that. Thank you for letting this go. I love you. So it is transmuted with the power of love. Love is the only power that can transmute. So that is the concept embedded in each tool.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, it's beautiful. I mean, I'm not, but this one question जो मुझे आ रहा है कि ठीक है, ये cleaning processes करने के बाद, is it helping me on my energy levels? Is it what is exactly happening in my body at that moment?
So our body is actually the unconscious mind. So हमें physical कुछ ढूंढना है body में, तो you might not necessarily physically feel something happening. But as I said, you start experiencing this peace in your life.
Okay.
सबसे पहली चीज़ जब कोई भी सेल्फ आइडेंटिटी थ्रू होपोनोपोनो स्टार्ट करता है, वो सब यही बोलते हैं कि एक ऐसा पीस आ गया लाइफ में जो हम एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकते. दैट इज़ द फर्स्ट थिंग. देन जो आपकी लाइफ की चीज़ें हैं वो बदलनी शुरू होती हैं. एंड इट्स ऑल्सो ऑलवेज सेड कि सेल्फ आइडेंटिटी थ्रू होपोनोपोनो में ना ज़रूरी नहीं है जो तुम मांगोगे तुम्हें वो मिलेगा, क्योंकि तुम्हें कुछ क्लू नहीं है कि जो तुम मांग रहे हो तुम्हारे लिए बहुत डिजास्ट्रस हो सकता है. Maybe it is absolutely wrong for you. So हम इसमें, there's no need for manifestation, there's no need for law of attraction. It is all absolutely not needed. So you learn surrender in this. कि what is right and perfect for me will unfold. You let go and let God. You just get out of the way. So,
Okay. Wow. Are there any other, mantras or anything that you chant to sort of activate this whole process?
So there are no mantras as such, but there is 2 prayers that we use, which
Okay.
is the opening prayer and the closing prayer.
Okay.
So these 2 prayers are also easily available on our website. So you can find it in English as well as Hindi on hoponoponoindia.com. And if you want it in any other languages, so you can visit IZIA LLC website, which is self-identity through ho'oponopono.com. So there you can get it in all the languages. So worldwide, it has been translated.
So what is opening and closing? I mean, what am I doing? Like, how do
So
I? So if
whenever
I
you
this
start anything, we start with the opening prayer, which is I am the I prayer. So it's a like 7-8 lines prayer. And similarly, there's a closing prayer. When we end anything, we end with the closing prayer, which is peace of I.
okay,
And it also has 7-8 lines.
okay. So I can use this in my. How do I use
Anytime, like it's one of the fastest working tools. So you can even say I am the I am the I, and peace of I. So just saying this will activate the whole prayer also.
this? Okay.
Like, it has so many shortcuts. Ho'oponopono, it's crazy. Like, they want to make it so easy for us कि सब कर पाए.
Got it. Got it.
इसलिए,
So anything as in like same starting this podcast. So even before and closing,
yes.
as simple as that. So anything that I'm doing in life,
Yeah.
just when I'm starting and when I'm ending the act,
Absolutely.
sort of a thing.
Yeah, and you can say it moment by moment also. I'm
Okay.
the I. I'm the I. So what happens is before we start anything, when I say this I am the I prayer, what is really happening is कि जैसे ये लोग हैं जिनके साथ मैं ये कर रही हूँ, एक मीटिंग में घुस रही हूँ, इनके साथ मेरे कोई भी ऐसे टाइज हैं which are creating certain problems or carry certain burdens and baggages which could cause any harm to anyone, I'm letting go of all of those. I'm asking for forgiveness in advance कि अगर मैंने कुछ भी ऐसा किया है कभी भी जिससे तुम्हें चोट पहुंची, कुछ भी गलत किया, मैं उसके लिए माफ़ी मांगती हूँ. And we can let it go and we can let divinity transmute it. So and we do it with everything. Like when we are saying it, it's not, we're talking to the room, we're talking to the land. By just saying this prayer, you're activating and this transmutation process with everything.
But क्या हो रहा है? Like when you're talking to the land or you're saying things also, like when we were also talking to the chair, you said, or to anything in this room, the bottle, for example. Why is this forgiveness so important?
When we talk about any land, so we don't know how much damage we have done. Land तो वहीं का वहीं है. We take birth, we die, and then again we'll take birth somewhere. But land वहीं है. Land remembers everything that has happened here. There are murders that maybe you have done here, that I have done here. And I come back in one lifetime and I'm suddenly, I'm a hunky-dory and creating a life on this land. But there is so much baggage and memories that the land is also carrying. So that impacts my life here, now that I've come. So I could be wondering, मेरी life में, like why am me and my husband having so many problems? Why are my parents having so many health issues? Why is my sister not able to have children? What is happening? A lot of those are also memories that are replaying in the land that you're in. So in self-identity through Ho'oponopono, we always clean with the land. So जैसे कोई भी participant जब किसी workshop के लिए register करता है ना, तो हम 3 महीने पहले registration खोलते हैं हर workshop की, ताकि हर पार्टिसिपेंट के लिए क्लीनिंग होती है.
अच्छा.
So the instructors, the staff of the class, the IZLLC president, the master coordinators, master instructors, everyone will clean for each participant.
Okay.
All the days are leading up to the class. So that is very important. We clean with their address. उनका पूरा address लेते हैं हम, पिन कोड तक उस पे क्लीनिंग होती है. कंट्रीज के साथ हम क्लीन करते हैं. So all of that is very
मतलब
important.
all the baggage that is related to that address, related to that person,
Yeah.
you cleanse it so that they don't carry that to the workshop.
Yes, so workshop में आने से पहले clean हो सकता है. So I am the instructor and a student is coming and maybe I have so much memories and histories of things that maybe that person killed me in a war, I killed him in a war. And now that person is going to come and suddenly start behaving very weirdly, and even he doesn't know why he is being so aggressive or irritated or troubling the class or breaking the flow of the class. So I have to clean beforehand.
But why is it your responsibility?
Yeah, so that's a very important question which I think we must talk about. So self-identity through Ho'oponopono mein, the biggest, most important concept is taking 100% responsibility for everything in my life.
Okay.
And what that means is कि I am responsible not just for things that are happening in my life, but also people that I meet. So if I interface with a person, let's say, who's going through cancer, so that means I have a shared memory of cancer with that person in me.
Okay.
That is why it has come into my, you know, conscious awareness. So this is me getting an opportunity to clean with this one more time before this opportunity goes away. And then maybe it'll come up in my life if I hadn't cleaned there and then. So there are so many such opportunities that we get, and when we understand self identity through Ho'oponopono, we are able to clean with things in advance.
But
Clean-
what is shared memory? I mean, I didn't understand that concept.
So that cancer, because it is showing up in somebody I can talk to or see, that means in my unconscious mind also there's a memory related to cancer. So if I take responsibility and I apply a Ho'oponopono cleaning tool, like we have specific tools for cancer that you learn in workshops. So if you just apply that, or any other tool for that matter, you could just say, I love you. And that is a petition for that cancer related multiple memories. It's normally not just one, they're like countless webs of memories. And that is able to be transmuted. And you'll be amazed that sometimes, so many times, the person will get better
Wow.
just because you took responsibility and cleaned.
So if I want to do it in my regular life, if I meet somebody like this, so if whatever basic you've told us, do I have to say their name and then say I love you in my prayer?
If you want, you can say the name, you can think about them or think about the problem and just say, I love you. So
Okay.
there's this very interesting story which one of the instructor who I studied with in 2015, my first class, shared. So he has 3 sons, and so one of the sons, all of a sudden when he entered teenage, he became like this rebel and long hair, rock music, stopped studying and started drugs and everything he got into. And he was an Asian parent in US who are, of course, as it is, they're conservative, and he was very worried. And you want to tell them, you don't do this, don't do that, but he knew self identity through Ho'oponopono.
Okay.
So all he did was he started cleaning. Never said a word to his son. Okay, just cleaning on himself, which is showing up as all of this rebellion, or this aggressive phase, the drugs phase and addictions phase in the son. And I think it was within 1 or 2 years, suddenly the son has completely cut his hair. All of a sudden, instead of rock music, he's suddenly interested in classical music. He's like, I didn't say a thing, and all of a sudden he enrolled for a university in, I think, microchip engineering or something, and we were all like, and he started getting the marks all of a sudden for it, and it was like a complete turnaround. Left drugs, left everything, and just became so good and excelled in his career. So he was like, this is like the example of how this works.
This is insane.
Yeah,
I mean,
and we
this
think, keep scolding the child, and does it work? It never works. जितना parents और डांटते हैं बच्चों को, उतना ही वो और rebel करते हैं. But they don't understand that I can take responsibility. If it is showing up, let me take responsibility and clean, and he will be able to be free from it as well.
So do you mean like every challenge or every struggle in your life, every bad relationship, your financial losses, every bad person maybe you think कि उसने मेरे साथ ऐसे किया is just because of us, like मतलब my own self, that I'm attracting all of this?
It's more than attracting. It's just those memories replaying,
Yeah.
giving us one more chance to make amends,
Wow.
to be able to set both of us free.
Okay.
Nobody is a bad person. कोई ऐसा inherently बुरा नहीं है. Even जो ये rapists, murderers हैं, they have such heavy memories that are playing, and they're slaves to it. And if I also take the responsibility and just clean with them, as Dr. Ihaliakala Hewlin did when he was working as a psychologist in the Hawaii State Hospital. And there were, I think, 70-80 criminally insane patients in the wards at that time. And he describes, there are videos on my page where he's actually sharing about it himself. एंड ही सेज कि इतना ख़राब एटमोसफेयर होता था वहाँ पे कि स्टाफ छुट्टी पे रहता था, इतनी मतलब हैवी नेगेटिव एनर्जी होती थी, प्लांट्स कोई नहीं ज़िंदा रहते थे, मर जाते थे, मतलब वहाँ पे किसी का रहने का मन नहीं करता था. इट वाज सो बैड एनर्जी वहाँ पे. मतलब आप क्रॉस कर रहे हो तो कहीं से कोई चेयर आके आपके सिर पे मार देगा, मतलब थ्रू दोज बार्स, इतना उसमें वो था. सो ही वाज लाइक आई वुड जस्ट सिट, look at the files of these patients and just their name, and I would say, I love you, thank you, whatever is in me that is showing up in you, thank you for giving me the opportunity one more time to clean with it, and please forgive me, I love you, thank you. And within, I think, a few months, I don't remember the exact period, all of them were released. All of those patients got completely okay, released, and finally that ward was shut down. It had such a powerful impact. So that is what one person cleaning can do. Imagine, like when more of us are cleaning,
Yeah.
families change. Our ancestry, our lineage, everything can change just by one person taking responsibility.
Wow. I mean, all this is so new to me. Like right now, I'm just trying to process every bit of it.
Yeah.
But yeah, like what have so how in your workshops, how has this technique sort of changed people's lives?
Yeah, so there's so many beautiful stories that we hear in India, people who attend the workshops and uske baad they share with us. So many times, as I was saying, कि because cleaning पहले ही start हो जाती है ना, so some people have sent me stories जैसे business classes. तो हमारे इसमें एक business class भी होती है Ho'oponopono में. तो 2-day classes से एक हफ्ता पहले they're sending me testimonials कि अभी क्लास अटेंड ही नहीं की है, बट क्लीनिंग हैड स्टार्टेड 3 months बैक. सो दे वर लाइक कि मनी दैट वाज स्टक फॉर years हैड गॉटन क्लियर्ड. किसी ने हमें चीट किया, उन्होंने आके पैसा वापस कर दिया. सो बिजनेस क्लास हैड अ लॉट टू डू विद मनी. हम प्रॉपर्टी डिस्प्यूट था, कोर्ट केस चल रहा है इतने सालों से, इट गॉट सॉल्व्ड. सो ऐसे बहुत हमारे पास मतलब टेस्टिमोनियल्स आते हैं समटाइम्स बिफोर द क्लास. Then there was this participant who shared ki she attended the class and her husband's business targets, sales targets, जो unheard of थे, पूरे साल के he was able to complete in 3 months. And he got a business trip to Hawaii where he was supposed to take his wife. And she was like, it was so crazy. The place where Morna used to work, the hotel where she had her own center, they were staying at that hotel through the business office trip.
Morna is the founder of
The founder, yeah.
of-
So she was like, it was so beautiful that how, pure it is that you just clean and so many things can happen with it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's literally like you are taking complete responsibility of your life, and you have a tool now to sort of change it
Yeah.
with these processes.
Yeah.
So you teach in the workshop. What exactly happens?
सो सबसे बेस्ट तो इसमें चीज़ है कि आपको किसी के साथ जाके अपना दिमाग नहीं ख़राब करना पड़ेगा. आपको किसी को जाके समझाना नहीं पड़ेगा, अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ कंटिन्यूसली लड़ना नहीं पड़ेगा. यू कैन जस्ट डू इट योर सेल्फ. इट्स सो सिंपल. सो इन द क्लास वी लर्न. सो क्लास इज़ मोर अबाउट you receive a download, I feel. It's more of an activation for the inner child. Unihipili. So we say कि I've heard instructors say कि इसमें ना बच्चे भी attend कर सकते हैं. Babies, 1 or 2 year old, they also come for classes. And it's so crazy कि जैसे 3-4 साल का बच्चा है, ठीक है, वो आया क्लास में, वो सो गया, ठीक है, पूरी क्लास में they are sleeping. एंड आई थिंक डॉक्टर यालिया कला ह्यूलन शेयर दिस स्टोरी. एंड फिर ना वो होटल के स्विमिंग पूल के पास थे एंड कुछ ऐसा हुआ. एंड द चाइल्ड हैड कम विद द मदर एंड मदर वॉज अबाउट टू डू समथिंग एंड द चाइल्ड सेड, मदर, did you do the cleaning as Dr. Hewlin just said before you are doing this? And she was amazed. 4-5-year-old kid who was sleeping throughout the class. So this instructor shared that when you're sleeping, your inner child is active. She is listening. He or she is listening. So when the conscious mind is out of the way, it's actually easier for you to download. सो इंटेलेक्ट का ज़्यादा इसमें रोल है नहीं. हम सोचते हैं हम सीख के आएंगे क्लास में, समझ लेंगे सब कुछ, बट मोर देन दैट देयर इज़ समथिंग दैट यू रिसीव इन द क्लास विच यू कैन नॉट फाइंड just by reading here and there, which I find is very, very powerful. And of course, there's so much preparation in the class. There's so much that is created, readied for the class. There's so many protections that are set up for the class. It's unbelievable. I've never seen any such workshops. There's beautiful manuals that you receive,
Okay.
which themselves are cleaning tools. And इसमें you have more than 70 tools for every different kind of problem. कि अगर जैसे मुझे relationship problem है, तो उसके अलग टूल्स हैं. अगर मुझे मनी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उसके अलग टूल्स हैं. हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, यू नो नर्वस सिस्टम डिजीजेज हैं, उसके अलग हीलिंग टूल्स हैं. तो पीपल डोंट नो दिस. सबको लगता है बस कि आई एम सॉरी, प्लीज़ फॉरगिव मी, थैंक यू, आई लव यू है. बट दिस इज़ एक्चुअली जस्ट द कॉन्सेप्ट. टूल्स तो अलग हैं. So there are tools to communicate with the inner child that you learn. There's so many processes to create a relationship with your inner child, which is one of the most important things they emphasize. कि जब तक आपका आपके inner child के साथ relationship नहीं होगा ना, तो cleaning will not work. काफ़ी लोग ये बोलते हैं कि हम तो कब से हमने YouTube पे देखा आई लव यू, आई एम सॉरी, हम तो कब से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, बट हमारी लाइफ में तो नहीं आया चेंज. सो दिस इज़ द मिसिंग पीस, कि आपका इनर चाइल्ड के साथ रिलेशनशिप है. हैज़ द इनर चाइल्ड बिल्ड अ रिलेशनशिप विद यू? इज इट इवन लिसनिंग टू यू? बिकॉज इफ इट डजंट ट्रस्ट यू, बिलीव यू, it will just not do it. It will be like, I don't care. So that's why in the workshop you learn the most important thing is to first build your relationship with the inner child. If she agrees to practice cleaning, फिर तो तुम्हारी लाइफ सेट है. फिर तो तुम्हें खुद से कुछ करना भी नहीं पड़ेगा. द चाइल्ड कैन क्लीन ऑन योर बिहाफ ऑल्सो.
ओके.
कि तुम कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हो और फिर भी क्लीनिंग हो रही है. सो इट्स
Okay.
दैट अनबिलीवेबल.
कितना इंटरेस्टिंग है द फैक्ट दैट एवरी प्रॉब्लम के लिए इतने सारे टूल्स अवेलेबल है एंड आई थिंक इट्स सो माइन्यूट.
Yeah, absolutely. So in the class you receive these two manuals, the basic one manual and the tool menu, which has 70 plus cleaning tools listed in them. So any class that you attend anywhere in the world, so
Okay.
you get these exact two manuals.
Okay.
And so these are there with you always, and you can just use them, apply. जिस प्रॉब्लम से उससे रिलेटेड टूल you can just apply. So it's really enriching.
ओके. एंड ये जो व्हेन यू गॉट इट टू इंडिया एंड दीज वर्कशॉप्स जो आपने ली थी, तो उसमें से अगर कोई इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है तो.
Yeah, so first of all, to bring it to India was a big responsibility. So जब 2015 में I remember I went to the US, and so I asked that instructor कि why don't you come to India and do the workshop, So he was like, oh my God, that is so much cleaning. India, like there's so much cleaning that would happen, so you do it. And I was like, oh my God, this is too much. Because 100% responsibility बोल रहे हैं, ये तो बहुत मेहनत है. So I just kept cleaning, but I wasn't ready. So Ho'oponopono में ना ऐसे नहीं बोलते कि you come in to become an instructor, you come in to become a coordinator. ऐसा नहीं होता. जब तुम actually वो 2-day workshop attend करते हो ना, तो तुम्हें रियलाइज होता है, माई गॉड, इट इज़ सो प्रोफाउंड. तो जब तक आप रेडी नहीं होते ना, यू कैन नॉट. सो इट टुक मी 7 years टू गेट रेडी, टू फाइनली प्रपोज दैट ओके, कोई नहीं कर रहा है इंडिया में, सो आई वॉन्ट टू गो हेड एंड ब्रिंग दिस टू इंडिया नाउ. सो देन आई proposed to IZI LLC, and they cleaned a lot with it. They cleaned a lot with India, and they receive a yes or no, that is it ready to bring it to India.
Okay.
And they finally received a yes, and that's how we brought it to India. And something so interesting happened with Hindi language. So जब मैं IZI LLC की वेबसाइट पे इंग्लिश में ओपनिंग प्रेयर जो मैंने बताया ना, आई एम द आई, पीस ऑफ आई, तो वो था. तो मैंने उसमें ना ऊपर एक ट्रांसलेट का बटन था, तो आई प्रेस दैट बटन कि हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट. एंड व्हेन आई सॉ दैट क्लोजिंग प्रेयर, पीस ऑफ आई, व्हाट इट ट्रांसलेटेड इनटू? पेन ऑफ आई, दर्द आई का. सो आई इज डिविनिटी, आई.
ओके.
So I received this, that there is so much pain in India, the mother India, the identity of mother India that she's carrying, and the language Hindi. There is so much pain that I still have screenshots of it. Okay, and so I told the IZILC कि it's showing as pain of eye, and they were like, this is beyond our control because this is Google Translate. But they were like, how can it show like that? It's a Google Translate. इतना बड़ा error कैसे हो सकता है? And I still have those screenshots. And I started cleaning with it. And after a few weeks, I did the translate, and it was peace of eye.
I I cannot believe this.
Yeah, so when we started cleaning, there was a lot of things that came up in India. Like there was a lot of pain, darkness, heaviness, and I mean the initial group of instructors from the US who did the first class. So most of the instructors so far that we've had in India have all been trained by Morna herself.
Okay.
So this has been something that I really wanted to do so that India mein log they can learn it directly how Morna created it and Morna ki Dr. Ihalia Kala Hewlin ki stories sun saken direct from the horse's mouth. So even the workshop that we have coming up in November 23rd, 24th in India. So that is also being conducted by an instructor, Momilani Ramstrom, who was the initial student of Morna Nalamaku Simeona.
Okay.
So she travels all over the world to conduct this workshop, and this one is happening online on Zoom. So she is conducting this health class, and so listening to them and receiving their cleaning is so beautiful. I mean, it goes beyond words. They can see things beyond what we can even imagine.
Wow.
Yeah.
And these जो manuals है जो आपने techniques बोले, so I just want to little bit understand कि वो techniques क्या है? Are they only prayers again? Or
So there are बहुत type के tools हैं. There are tools that you can just say
अच्छा,
words. There are some that you have to visualize.
okay.
So there are some that you have to eat.
Okay.
There are some that you drink. There's some that you draw, and some are like physical tools. Like there are physical exercises in this,
अच्छा.
which activate the cleaning tool. Like this is a very funny story. I think I'll share it. So when I went to the first class, उसमें एक physical exercise करवाते हैं, in which the instructor stands there and एक student आता है सामने और वो exercise करते हैं and then they go back. So when I did the exercise, so the instructor asked me, takes me to a corner and asks me कि इंडिया में क्या बहुत black magic होता है? And I'm like, yeah, मतलब सुना, even I've heard about it कि there is black magic. He's like, when we did this exercise, there was so much black magic that got released on the floor. And at that time, honestly, I did not know what that means, and so they just clean with it. So after you do that exercise, you have a cleaning tool that you apply so that whatever is on the ground is clean. So just that exercise, like in India, we have so many things all around us, entities. So there are tools for that also,
Okay.
that you can just release that without having to do anything. Like very simple things you'll say, just physical exercise you'll do when these things are released. So I was amazed when I heard of that. Similarly for health, so one of the last instructors this year only, I think, that we had in India. So he was from Italy, I think. And he has studied with Dr. Ihalia Kala Hewlin and was a very close friend. So he had so many beautiful stories to share. So he got cancer in his early 40s. And it was a very rare type of cancer which does not still have any cure. Okay, there is no cure for it. And so he was given, I think, a timeline of a few months to live because it was on a very advanced stage. And that was in his 40s, and now I think he's in his late 60s or 70s. He's still alive. He had a thriving life. He had a beautiful career. He never thought he'll be able to have children, see them. He saw that. Now he has grandchildren. He's able to see that. And he's still conducting these workshops all over the world, sharing self-identity through Ho'oponopono, and parallelly running his corporate career as a consultant, doing very well financially, mentally, emotionally. And he does still have that cancer. It has not gone completely. But, I mean, he's a medical miracle. And he's like, I've been applying and this is my way of life. It's Ho'oponopono that is everything. And so there are many such instructors who themselves have even overcome cancer. Like, it was completely gone from their body just using self-identity through Ho'oponopono.
बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग इंसाइट्स है. ये सेम चीज़ मैं मेरे मनी और करियर में कैसे अप्लाई कर सकती हूँ? लाइक
So money की अपनी खुद की आइडेंटिटी होती है एक. Okay, so जब हम मनी के साथ वर्क करते हैं, so we clean with money. कि जैसे सपोज मुझे है कि I want to become a millionaire, but maybe that's absolutely not right for me. Maybe that's very, very wrong and it can create a lot more problems in my life. We don't know that. So when I clean with money, what is right and perfect for me can come. Maybe I'm meant to be a billionaire and not a millionaire. That can unfold. Or maybe I'm not supposed to have that much money. I'm supposed to have just the perfect amount of money for a very good and happy living. So when I clean with it, the money is able to come to me in the right way.
Okay.
And sometimes there's a lot of baggage with money. There's a lot of wrong things that have happened, malpractices with money. So whenever we receive and give money, it's very good to clean with it. Just say I love you, thank you to the money you're receiving, so that जो भी उसमें जो memories carry कर रहा है of maybe cheating, corruption and black money and all those
हाँ, वो
practices.
कहाँ से आ रहा है पैसा we don't know.
हाँ,
In fact, the
कहाँ
most
कहाँ हाथ
circulated.
हाँ कहाँ कहाँ हाथ चेंज करके आया है वो, and then you are bringing it into your self in your life. So just clean with money. Just say I love you, thank you. जब भी किसी को देते हो या लेते हो, कुछ खरीद रहे हो, just say I love you, thank you, so that that money is clean and it will do wonders in your life. That money, you will be amazed वो कैसे grow करेगा when you're doing cleaning, because money wants cleaning too. It loves cleaning. So Dr. Hewlin would always say there's a tool that you learn in the workshop कि जब भी वो tool use करते थे ना, like he could like see things, so he was like money would be like like spa for money. And so it's that good. So people who are able to clean with money, it just wants to come to you.
Okay.
And similarly with your career, like maybe you want X job, कि मुझे तो फेसबुक में जॉब मिले, मुझे गूगल में जॉब मिले, बट मे बी देयर समथिंग मच बेटर फॉर यू. वहाँ जाके तुम मिजरेबल होने वाले हो और वहाँ जाके तुम बहुत मतलब ख़राब कर पाओगे काम. But there's some maybe a startup which is going to be beautiful for you. So it will get you to the right place if you just remember to clean while you're applying for a job or thinking of applying or interviewing. Just use these tools and perfect things will happen for you.
Wow.
Yeah.
ये तो ऐसा है कि it's like a wand that you can sort of start using in your life.
Oh my god, it makes life so easy. Like conflicts में, I remember I once had a conflict with somebody और ना वो बहुत weird सी family friends type लड़ाई हो गई थी and बहुत disturb कर रही थी मुझे वो, and I think 1 महीना हो गया था वो solve नहीं हो रही थी, and मैं भी disturb थी, मेरे family members भी disturb थे, and मुझे पता था कि that family is also disturbed. But हम दिमाग से सोचते हैं उन्होंने ऐसे क्यों बोला, उनको ये नहीं करना चाहिए था, दैट वाज सो डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल, उनको सॉरी बोलना चाहिए, मुझे सॉरी बोलना चाहिए. वो दिमाग में स्ट्रैटेजीज बनती रहती हैं कि ऐसे बोलूँ या कॉल करके ये बोल दूँ उन्हें या मैं माफ़ी मांग लूँ. वो सब चल रहा था बट कुछ हो नहीं रहा था. ठीक है, मैं फंसी हुई थी माइंड में. एकदम से ना दैट इनर वॉइस सेड टू मी, कृतिका जस्ट स्टॉप एंड जस्ट क्लीन. बिकॉज मैं भी भूल जाती हूँ क्लीन करना, पता है, अटक जाते हैं हम प्रॉब्लम में एंड वी गेट लॉस्ट इन इट. और माइंड को तो इतना मज़ा आता है ना कि मैं सॉल्व कर दूँगा प्रॉब्लम तुम्हारी, मैं सॉल्व कर दूँगा. बट मेमोरीज, जो कॉन्शियस माइंड है ना, वो सिर्फ रीगर्जिटेट कर रहा है, सेम चीज़ है, वो कुछ नया कर ही नहीं सकता. ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. जब तक इंस्पिरेशन नहीं आएगी ना, माइंड वही चीज़ रीगर्जिटेट करता रहता है.
Oh, you'll be in a vicious cycle. वही चीजें वापस हो रहा है.
आपको लगेगा अरे ये तो सॉल्व हो गया, बट वो वही चल रहा है अभी भी अलग वे में. सो ओनली इंस्पिरेशन कैन एंड इट. ओनली दैट इज द राइट सोल्यूशन विच विल एंड इट. सो फाइनली आई वाज लाइक हाँ यार बहुत थक गई हूँ स्ट्रेटजाइज करके. तो आई जस्ट डिड माई 12 steps ऑन इट. एंड यू नॉट गोइंग टू बिलीव, ये मैंने रात को किया है. अगले दिन सुबह those family friends came to my house to clarify the whole thing. I was shocked. I was humbled. I was like, oh my goodness. एंड इतने प्यार से क्लैरिफाई हुआ, मतलब बहुत दिल से उन्होंने भी बात किया कि मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा कि हम 1 महीने से बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. एंड शी हैड टीयर्स इन हर आईज एंड आई हैड टीयर्स एंड हमने सब क्लियर आउट किया एंड वो सो ब्यूटिफुल. मतलब मैं ऐसे इमेजिन भी नहीं कर सकती कि कॉन्शियसली मैं ये फिगर आउट कर सकती वो कैसे सडनली शी जस्ट केम. Similarly, another story was I had a landlord. One of the places that I was staying in, वो बहुत तंग करता था landlord हमें ना, बहुत difficult to deal with था वो landlord. And so we were supposed to leave the house. We were supposed to move out. So we were like, he's not going to give us the deposit back for sure. And he was creating a lot of problems कि आपको extra pay करना पड़ेगा, आप 1 महीना पहले छोड़ रहे हो and what all. So we were very stressed कि like what do we do, how do we deal with him. और मैंने कहा इस बार ना मैं इतना दिमाग पे जोर नहीं दूंगी, आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू क्लीन. सो अगेन आई जस्ट डिड माई 12 step process एंड नेक्स्ट डे सो हमारी शिफ्टिंग हुई एंड ही केम एंड ही वाज सो नाइस कि हमें तो एकदम रियलाइज़ नहीं हुआ कि ये सेम इंसान है, ये कुछ बदल गया, लाइक उसकी शक्ल देख रहे हैं, कोई भाई वाई तो नहीं आ गया है उसका, वो इतना स्वीट एकदम से. एंड जो डिपॉजिट वापस करना था, ही नॉट जस्ट पेड अस द डिपॉजिट, ही सेंट अस डबल द मनी ऑफ द डिपॉजिट. एंड वी वर लाइक व्हाट, ये कैसे हुआ? सो चलो वो बाय मिस्टेक, बट आई यू सीइंग लाइक हम सोच रहे थे कि उसका 1/3 पैसा आएगा या नहीं आएगा, बिल्कुल भी उसने डबल द अमाउंट भेज दिया. एंड देन वेरी लेटर ऑन यू नो लाइक वी रियलाइज कि अच्छा ये तो डबल आया है. सो ऑफकोर्स वी वर प्लानिंग टू सेंड इट बैक, बट सब कुछ इतना एमिकेबली हुआ कि मतलब बिकॉज 5 years that we had stayed, he had given us so much trouble. And the moment I cleaned, it was so effortless. So that's how, you know, in small problems also, it can just change things.
I mean, a simple technique like just cleaning and acknowledging and giving it that energy. मतलब आप
Yeah.
उसको एक ये दे रहे हो, वो प्रॉब्लम को एक एनर्जी दे रहे हो of saying I love you,
Yeah.
thank you,
Yeah.
and things can change for you.
So we kind of want to simplify it by saying कि हम उसको एनर्जी दे रहे हैं, but it's actually behind the scene बहुत कुछ हो रहा है उसमें. मतलब कॉन्शियसली हम इसको एक सिंप्लीफाइड टर्म में समझना चाह रहे हैं कि बट एक्चुअली में इट्स अ वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रोसेस जो सिर्फ आपके एक आई लव यू थैंक यू बोलते ही पूरा एक्टिवेट हो गया है. लाइक द इनर चाइल्ड विल फाइंड कौन सी मेमोरीज को रिलीज़ करना है, कौन सी अभी जा सकती हैं, कौन सी अभी नहीं जा सकती. All of that is happening, and then the petition goes, and then the inspiration comes back. All of that is happening. So I mean, it not just works at an energy level, it works at etheric level, it works at physical level, it works at astral level, it works on planetary impacts also. So in some of the books, Morna has actually talked about how it impacts our planetary positions, the crud that we're facing in our life because of certain planetary positions. It has an impact on everything.
Wow. So even astrological जो problems
Yeah.
people face करते हैं,
You can actually overcome that.
overcome that by just saying these simple
Yes.
tools and techniques to those planets. Maybe you just say
I
that.
mean, you don't necessarily, you can if you want to, but you don't necessarily need to even know all of that. When you're cleaning, so when you're in a state of zero or inspiration, the planetary forces do not impact you.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like it's the memory state where the planetary forces impact you. When you're at zero or in inspiration, then they don't.
They don't affect you.
They don't
Okay.
impact you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you wanted to tell us about the prayers before we end this
Yes.
episode.
So this is a very beautiful gift from IZA LLC, which I want to share with everyone.
Okay.
So first I'll share the I am the I prayer, and you can listen to it and just feel it. And then you can find these prayers on ho'oponoponoindia.com, and you can just download it or read it from there and do it as much as you like. So I'll first share it in English and then Hindi. Okay. I am the I. I come forth from the void into light. I am the breath that nurtures life. I am that emptiness, that hollowness beyond all consciousness. The I, the id, the all. I draw my bow of rainbows across the waters, the continuum of minds with matters. I am the incoming and outgoing of breath, the invisible, untouchable breeze, the undefinable atom of creation. I am the I. And in Hindi, मैं हूँ वह मैं आती हूँ आगे शून्य से रोशनी में. मैं हूँ वह सांस जो पालती है जिंदगी को. मैं हूँ वह खालीपन, वह खोखलापन जो परे है सारी चेतना से. मैं पहचान सब कुछ. मैं खींचती हूँ अपना इंद्रधनुष का धनुष पानी के पार. निरंतरता मन की पदार्थ के साथ. मैं हूँ वह अंदर आने और बाहर जाने वाली सांस. अदृश्य अस्पर्शनीय पवन, अपरिभाषित परमाणु निर्माण का. मैं हूँ वह मैं. Thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing this.
Yeah. And I'll share the closing prayer. So this is a prayer that you can use anytime that you're ending something. You can just say it mentally, say it loudly, whatever you like. The peace of I. The peace of I. Peace be with you. All my peace. The peace that is I. The peace that is I am. the peace for always, now and forever and evermore. My peace I give to you, my peace I leave with you. Not the world's peace, but only my peace, the peace of I. Now in Hindi. शांति मैं की, शांति तुम्हारे साथ हो, मेरी सारी शांति। शांति जो हूँ मैं, वह शांति जो मैं हूँ। शांति हमेशा के लिए, अभी और हमेशा के लिए। मेरी शांति मैं तुम्हें देती हूँ, मेरी शांति मैं तुम्हारे पास छोड़ती हूँ। दुनिया की शांति नहीं, केवल मेरी शांति, शांति मैं की। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much. I'm sure this is very, very valuable for everyone who's watching this podcast. And thank you, Gitika, once again for coming on Roar and sharing such amazing, valuable insights. Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Thank you so much. It has been such a pleasure to be able to talk to you and, to be able to share these insights. And when talking to you, it's like something absolutely new and different comes out. So I was so glad to be able to share this.
So, बिना किसी को मिले actually heal कर सकते हैं क्या?
Yeah, that's the magic of self identity through Ho'oponopono, that your parents, your husband, your wife, nobody needs to go to therapy or heal or learn. You can do that and they'll change.
I'm not going to say that if you found this episode valuable, share it, because I'm going to say please go ahead and share it, because I think everyone needs to watch this and their lives can change. So you can be a medium to change somebody's life. And till then, keep rising and embracing in love. I'm going to see you next time. And do not forget, I roar you.